Derek Bouchard Hall in his national championship jersey going up the road. $100. Ramo Otti, who is a great Finnish competitor, great cross-country skier. He has won many national championships in the 50K, 30K, and before the start of the race, he put up $150. What he wanted $100 going to the winner of this points sprint and $50 going to second place. So both riders are going to be in for a payday, a bonus as we will call it.
I think that's good. I'll let you know when it's on.
Okay, let's keep our fingers crossed that that storm passes to our north.
Could be. About 15 minutes. I just called Westminster. It's up there.
Coming up into the line when they're sprinting for the 25 points, Ramo Otti, who is a great stone mason, very, very famous here in the Fitchburg area, put up the $100. He was a champion bicycle racer, and he still is a champion cross-country skier.
We got the Brico umbrellas ready. The officials and the official need the Brico umbrella.
Coming up into the line, who's going for the $100? $100 and $50 in that order. Derek Bouchard Hall, he's got 100. Wearing bib number 18, that is Glenn Mitchell. Glenn Mitchell, he's got the $50.
Uh-oh. Watch it. Okay, at this time, are you calling it, Kenan? Are you going to call it? Are you calling it? When they get to the line, it'll be 1 lap to go. They're going to hold it at 1 lap to go when they get to the line. When they get to the line, it'll be 1 lap to go. Hang on, we're in for a real race now. When they get to the line, it'll be 1 lap to go. Anybody needs a Brico umbrella? I got about 5 of them over here. You're welcome to take a Brico umbrella. There you go. I got another Brico umbrella. Brico, one of the finest names in umbrellas here. Brico umbrella. Make sure you get one to see the last lap of this race. When they get to the line, they'll have 1 lap to go. Not since 1981 have we had the race cut. A Brico umbrella. Come on, open it up. Now these are fantastic. They don't fold in the wind. They're fantastic. Oh, give one to Kenan. Kenan, you need one. No, it'll blow away from you, Kenan. Nah, I'm out. I'm out. Hold it. I gotta give this to the official.
Final lap of the bike race.
1 lap to go.
Gentlemen, 1 to go. And whoever wins this lap is in for a bucket of money.
We got a bucket of money,
bucket
too.
Of money.
Last lap. Gentlemen, it's the last lap. 1 to go. 1 to go, gentlemen. Last lap. 1 remaining. 1 lap to go. 1 lap to go. 1 lap to go.
And a bucket of money.
Gentlemen, you're on your last lap. 1 lap. 1 lap to go. This is it. The last lap. This is one of the wildest Longsjo Classic Criteriums I've ever seen, Dick. Not since 1981 have they had to cut one
I tell you what, Billy,
short.
we've got a jersey with a $50 pin to it. That'll go second place.
Yep.
I've got another one. That'll go to third place.
Okay, let's put that right in the bucket right here.
George Burke. That'll go to third place.
Third
There's
place,
25.
okay.
Don't leave.
let's take a look down at the street. Look at those Brico umbrellas doing their job.
Inside
Fantastic. That's an inverted Brico. Oh, my monitor just went out. Oh my gosh.
Oh man.
You want to call this one, Dick?
Well, I'll tell you, coming up into the final straightaway, somebody donated a beautiful T-shirt, and O'Neill's Bike Shop, and there's $50 pinned to it. That's going to second place. A bucket of money. George Burke, $25.
Okay.
Going to third place.
Here we go, Dick. Call this
All
one.
right, ladies
Don't
and
miss
gentlemen. There's a guy running faster than the riders. It should be Bouchard Hall coming up at us. Stars and Stripes jersey. Derek Bouchard Hall, if he can hang on, he's going to be in for a bucket of money. Second place is going to be O'Neill's with $50 pinned to it. No, Mercury Rider. All right. Baden Cooke. Baden Cooke. Stage results do not count for GC.